Good morning, friends. Good morning, friends. How are you? And hope you are doing good. And friends, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe this channel. And whatever I am giving here is pure technical, nothing other than technical, friends. And as you can see, we were speaking about this yesterday. Like I was expecting a strong move towards downside, and if I show you, this was the move equivalent to this. I had told you this before, and after this we had a good bottoming, and see the previous candle did not close. Yesterday's candle did not close to the previous low, and we have confirmed it now, like we are on an uptrend. Today I'll show you something like how to save your money if you are in option trading, and how to be very careful. So I'll show you this. Here you can see this was our 1, this was our 2, 3, 4 and 5. We had completed 5 wave. Then we had A, B, C. This complete is our B, which on daily time frame it is an impulse wave, and on a smaller time frame it's a corrective wave. Corrective wave, I have told you before, corrective wave engulf each other's candle and they will be overlapping each other. These are corrective moves which overlap each other. And impulse move are, you can see here, in impulse you don't have any kind of overlapping. This wave 2 you can see overlapped, so this is a corrective move. So corrective move will be equal to the other waves. Like suppose I'll show you over here. I have taken a trade yesterday. I'll show you over here. I have taken a trade over here yesterday. This was a liquidation zone which I was yesterday. So here I am already in the trade, but here I did not take profit. I was waiting for a much higher level, and since it started consolidation, here also I had a doubt because of the RSI. You can see over here the RSI was lower low. Okay, so I had bit confusion, but still too I just calculated this was the first wave 2. Okay, so I kept quiet. Again it made a higher high, again it had a pullback. So again this both, you can see this is 5.67, and here this has not completed but it came to 5.35. so this low is lower than this, so safe. Okay friends, so most of the time what happens, you have taken a trade and you see multiple pullbacks and you get afraid of the trade and you come out of the trade. So don't do that kind of mistake. Always calculate the what is the pullback, what's the previous pullback, what is the present pullback, and wait. And if that pullback is much higher than the previous one, then there is a change of character. Okay, so break of structure might happen at that time. Break of structure is much lower level, and here we have a Fibonacci ratio for much accurate. Just put the low and high on this. This was the first low. I have not yet crossed this because I am calculating this as wave 1. This is the wave 2, which is taking much longer. Wave 2 does not take this much of long, but let's wait unless it breaks the previous low. So as of now, let's wait. And here is our thing. I have made just now, I made a stop loss over here at this price, so the profit will be less, but nothing to worry. You can see the profit will be only 5%, whereas from my target the pump was somewhere around 15%, but nothing to worry unless this low is not broken. So be very careful at this time. Whenever you take trade, first measure the previous low and the present low, so you have a clear idea what it's going to do, friends. So till here I think you are clear, and let's talk about the targets now, and I'll show you something. See, this is the pattern what it is making on elite wave. I'll post this picture on my Insta so that you can go and check it out. Insta is fine with me, so you can check out this. And let me go over here on the daily time frame. Daily time frame is much powerful than the hourly, friends. So here you can see we had a strong up move. This is the up move, and we had a strong pullback here till here it is. Then we had a up move. So here somewhere right now we have created this channel, which is B and C. See, you can see a impulse move. Right now we are in this. So let's see how it happens. Sorry, I think I have made some mistakes. Just a minute. Okay, here we can see the up move is here. The up move is here, and then you have a small channel kind of thing. Again you have a up move, this B wave. Here is the B wave. Then you have this channel. Let me show you this channel, B and C. See over here. Now we are making this wave. So this will be our final wave, friends, because we are almost about to complete this wave 5. Wave 5 targets I'll tell you so that you can be very sure. See, the fall of this is measured move for 40%, friends, 40%. So be very careful. You have much higher to go now, and only thing, the low should not be broken, friends. If I calculate from here, you have still 20% to go. Okay, so entry exit, you be very careful. And there is one more chance, since this I am counting as wave 1 and wave 2. So this completely will be wave 2 itself if this low is not broken. If this low is broken, my stop loss will hit you over here itself, and I'll be expecting a pullback over here. If I see a reversal candle on this price range at 18, if I see a reversal candle, because as per Elliott wave, I'll take you to the lower time frame, 20 minutes. I'll come back to this higher time frame also. Guys, here you can see on a 20-minute time frame, we are below the reversal line. But if we break this, so we can just retest this again or somewhere in this range. So this entire will be A1. You can see here it has already created 1, and 2 which is over here. So 3 is much higher. So let's wait. So we have completed C and 2 on the lower time frame. If I take you to the higher time frame, which is 5 hours, so in 5 hours you can see still we are on a uptrend. So let's wait for the wave 1 to get break, because as I told you in my previous videos also, like wave 1 should have a very good volume to break. So till now you are clear over here, and you can see on 5 hours we have a MACD cross bullish over, and if I take you to the 12 hours, we have a good MACD cross and the volume is good. So still I am expecting a good move from wave 1. This is a wave 1, friends. Till we break 18.28, it's bit of risky. Once we break this, you can see over here on 12 hours, this is the pivot point, which is 18.35. Till we break this, we are bit in a risk. So let's wait. Hopefully everything goes on fine, and as I told you, the target will be above $20, and you know the target I have shown you. So let's wait, and if you like my contents, please do likes and please do subscribe me friends. I'll be giving you more informative videos on trading. So just, and whatever the update is there, I'll provide you tomorrow. Tomorrow is a very important day. You have a monthly closing, and in monthly closing, you know, there is lot of volatility. You can see over here we are creating a dodgy kind of candle. If we don't break it and if we reach at least 20, so do exit your position. We have lots of trade. We will be already making somewhere around 30%, 40%, sorry, and from this price we might go to 30%. So do exit your positions, and tomorrow will be a very volatile day, and I'll make the video tomorrow and give you the more updates. Thank you friends, and have a nice day.